Greetings everybody, welcome back to the CSA Forex channel where we talk about the majors and gold, looking for opportunities to trade in order to be profitable. Now what we have in front of us is the EurUsd, and we are going to focus on the EurUsd for today because if you look at it very well, it has been giving us a nice pattern to the downside. If you look very well, as this is clearly a bearish market, it's clearly a downtrend, you'll notice something unique about it, that anytime it drops, it always gives us that pullback in order for us to have an entry. Pullbacks are good, right? Now, for last week, we had this nice pullback to this area here that, if you look very well, acted as a form of support. You can see some little resistance, support, and then the same area acted as resistance over here. That was last week. Now, this week, we have a nice clear area here that should now act as a form of resistance. So what we're looking out for now is a pullback to this area. So this is the area to watch. This is the area to watch. And we are going to wait here patiently for what? We're going to wait here patiently for short opportunities to take it down. Now, this in a nutshell is what I am looking out for this week. The market clearly is down. And if you've been paying attention to the dollar, to the greenback, it has been bullish. So that means that we should expect more downside on the EurUsd. So what we have to do now is patiently wait. Now let me quickly do something. Let me give you a quick summary of how any strategy should look like. Any trading strategy should look like. In the previous video, we talked about trading strategies. So we know we all need a trading strategy. Now, every trading strategy should have that area of interest, the levels or the zones, right? It's more or less the same thing. Levels, zones, or areas of interest. Now you mark those levels, mark those zones, mark those areas that you are interested in. And then number two, simply wait for the market to get to that area that you have marked. So you watch how the market moves there. And then number three, you look for your entry trigger. Your entry trigger could easily be a candlestick price action pattern. It could be any of the engulfings or any of the hammers or haramis, depending on whether it's a buy or it's a sell situation for you. You could also be looking out for chart patterns based on wedges, based on flags, based on whatever, as the market is going to that area of interest for you. So all you have to now do is to pull the trigger when it gets there and then ensure your stop loss is at the other side to protect your account. That's all. And then leave it to the market. So that's what I have done here. If you notice, I have done number one, I have marked out my areas of interest on this EurUsd. And then number two, I am patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. That is what the business should be all about. We take most of our time waiting. But then, traders today, they just want to rush in. So as I'm patiently waiting, I'm going to still patiently wait and still patiently wait. Later today, we have data coming out based on the retail sales by 2:30 p.m. West African time, which is also 1:30 p.m. UK time, which is also about 9:30 a.m. EST, right? So whatever time zone that you are in, make sure that you pay attention to the news coming out, because it is most likely going to come with a little bit of volatility. And when that happens, you don't want to be caught on the wrong side. So ensure you trade safely today. If you have any questions, comment in the section below. If the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you are new to the channel or you are yet to subscribe, you have been watching the videos but you are yet to subscribe, do hit the subscription button, subscribe today, and of course, turn on the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about this support and resistance that we use to draw in order to mark our levels of interest, then there is a link in the description below. Feel free to connect yourself to the free course. Watch it today. It will help you to understand how to look at the market better. Thank you, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day and ensure to trade safely. Goodbye for now.